Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, how are you guys? So today we are going to start lesson 8, which is simplifying fractions, and thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You guys are amazing and you're the best. Let's begin. So for simplifying fractions, you should be super good in your times table, at least from 2 to 12. Once you're perfect in your times table, then we are good to go in simplifying fractions, right? Okay, so keep practicing your times table. So for simplifying fractions, the rule is simple, which is we have to choose any one timetable in order to see whether both of these two numbers in a fraction comes in those times table or not, in that particular timetable or not. So let's just start solving question number 1, which is 20 over 8. We have to simplify it. Okay, so let's just always start it with the times table 2. Start it with the 2, then keep on increasing. If both of these two numbers does not be simplified on a times table of 2, then move on to 3, after that 4, and so on, right? Okay, so this is 20 and this is 8. So 8 comes in a times table of 2, yes. 20 comes in a times table of 2, yes. Perfect. So we can simplify this fraction on a times table of 2. So 10 times 2 is 20 and 4 times 2 is 8. Right? Now see, can this further be simplified or not? So yes, this can be simplified on a times table of 2. So 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now again check whether this can further be simplified or not, any times table. So 2 comes in a times table of 2, but 5 does not come in a times table of 2. So it means this fraction cannot further be simplified. So this is our final answer, right? So we are good to go. Okay, next 12 over 18. So this fraction can be simplified on a times table of 6 directly. Okay, if you're not so sure like how I came to know that I have to simplify it on a times table of 6, you can always start it from the 2. So this can be simplified on a times table of 2. Yes, this can also be simplified on a times table of 3 and so on, and also 6, right? So starting it with 2. So 6 times 2 is 12 and 9 times 2 is 18. So keep in mind the times table that you have chosen to in order to simplify this fraction, right? Okay, now this is 6 over 9. So is there any times table on which both of these two numbers come? Start it with 2. So 6 comes on the times table of 2, but 9 does not come. So increase the timetable. So now let's choose times table 3. So 6 comes in the times table of 2. So 3 times 2 is, sorry, we have chosen the times table 3. So let me just write 3 here and circle it so that this will remind me that I have chosen the times table 3, right? So 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. So this is just for the beginners. If you already know the concept, you can solve it directly. So this cannot be further simplified. So we named it as our final answer. Next. So question number 3 is 7 whole 6 over 4. So first we have to convert it into the standard form of a fraction, which is 7 times 4 is 28 and 28 plus 6 is 34. And divided by 4. So now simplify. So this can be simplified on a times table of 2. So 17 times 2 will give me 34 and 2 times 2 is 4. So can this further be simplified? No. Now convert it back into the fraction in which the question has been written, right? So this is 8 times 2 is 16 and 1 over 2. Got it? So this is our final answer. Okay, the next is 8 whole 6 over 8. So convert it back into the standard form. So 8 times 8 is 64 and 64 plus 6 is 70. So this is 70 over 8. Now simplify it, so this can be simplified on a times table of 2. So this will give me 35, or 35 times 2 is 70, or simply 7 divided by 2 will give you 35, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now this can further be simplified. No. So now convert it back into the mixed fraction. So this will give me what? 8 times 4 is, start counting times table of 4 up till 35 or less than close to 35. So 8 times 4 is 32. The remainder we are left with us is 3, because 35 take away 32 is 3, and the divisor is 4. So 8 whole 3 over 4 is our final answer. Well, we can also solve question number 3 and 4 using a short way. So let me show you. Okay, now see, this is 7 whole 6 over 4. So this is 7 whole 6 over 4. So see, in this case I can directly, this is the fractional part which is 6 over 4, I can directly simplify this fractional part. So this will give me what? Keep the mixed, keep your whole number as it is. So 6 over whole, this fraction can be simplified on a times table 2. So this will become 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now you can simplify this, you can convert it into the standard form. 7 times 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. So 17 over 2. Now convert it back, you will get the same answer, which is 8 whole 1 over 2. Right? So in this case basically we got the bigger numbers and then we simplified it. So in this case we directly reduce it to the smaller numbers and simplify, we directly jump up to 17 upon 2. Right? So similar is the case over here. So this is 8 whole 6 over 8. So now see, I can directly simplify the fractional part, which is 6 over 8. So simplify these two. So this will give me 3 times 2 is 6. First write your whole number as it is. So now 6, 3 times 2 is 6, and the denominator value is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So I simplified the fractional part. We just need to simplify the fractional part. So I simplified it on the times table of 2. I'll get 3 over 4. So see, or this answer 8 whole 3 over 2, and this answer is same. So this is a short way of doing the question, right? I hope you have got the concept. Right, so here comes to an end of our today's session, and stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and thank you very much guys once again for watching and learning here. Keep learning and stay safe out there, and we'll catch up later.